right, it's coming. There we are. What are we going to do today, my friends?
We're going to go to find animals in the park.
All right, let's go look. Here we go. We're going to see if we can find any animals or any bugs or if we can hear them. All right, here we go. I'm going to come follow you guys and see if you see anything. A couple of my friends checking it out here by the rocks. What do you see? Where? Where's the bug?
Oh, no, the bird over there.
There's a bird over there. We should look by the trees and see if we see anything. What'd you find? Where?
Is it an ant?
What'd you find? Everybody's checking it out with their magnifying glasses. Is it a bug? What kind of bug? It went out. There we go. It's back. We're back. What'd you find, Evelyn? A spider web. Where? Sorry. Cutting out. Hopefully it's catching most of this. There's a spider web in there. There is way up there in the corner. Good spot. That means a spider used to live in there. Nice job. Should we check over by the gate, over here by the wooden gate, and see if we see anything? Over there? Okay, you guys go check it out. I'll follow you. Take turns looking.
Let me see. I can't
Hold on.
see.
Okay, let Haley have a turn to look. What do you see down there?
The door.
Maybe behind the door? Do you see any bugs down there?
Yeah.
What kind of bugs are they?
It looks like...
I hear the bird up there. I don't know if my camera can quite get it, but there's a bird singing up in that tree. Does anybody see any squirrels in these trees? Should we check out? What'd you find, Fletcher? It went that way. Should we look up here? Can everybody look up at those trees for me? Does anybody see a squirrel? It might be a little chilly this morning. Oh, look at up there. There's a bird nest in that tree. I hear another bird up here really close. Can you look up there? Do you see a bird? I'm looking for him. What'd you find now?
Come out wherever you are.
There's lots of birdies out here. We can hear them. What'd you see? Is there ants in there? The ants are probably hiding under the grass because it's kind of chilly this morning. It's a little windy. There's a bug. Really? Bugs in the grass. Good job cleaning up the garbage, my friends. All right. Oh, there's a bird. Look. It just flew on that branch.
Where?
Do you guys see it? Right up there. With the orange belly.
I don't see anything.
Here, you gotta go look. Come over this way. Oh, there he flew. Did you see him fly to the other branch? There he goes. Oh, now he's hiding from us. All right, let's check out back here. Sometimes there's squirrels back here running around. There's the bird. I think we scared him. There's the birdie going. Okay. Do we see anything else in over here? There's a little pond back there or something. I can't see it very good. Where? There's more birds. Awesome. All right, friends. We are going to end our video. Everybody say bye. Bye.